Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, well, around sunrise, a lot of clouds, some cirrus clouds, stratocumulus clouds, and we had a little disturbance that's going to come through today, but not enough moisture to bring any precipitation. But we're going to be talking about this warm-up that will culminate in a record high, and then rain chances, thunderstorm chances. Will there be severe weather? How much rain will we get? Perhaps getting the grass seed and fertilizer out and done here today or tomorrow may be wise to take advantage of this period of wet weather. So let's go through all this. We have a lot of clouds here for today, but we'll have sunshine too, and it's going to get us up into the 70s, about 74 degrees. This is not going to be a record. 80s and 90s out west probably will be records out there. Tomorrow, the home opener is going to be a record. 82, set in 1986 is the old record. Think we're going to surpass that by 4 or 5 degrees, up into the mid to upper 80s. Winds out of the south, 15 to 30, gusting to 40 miles per hour, actually picking up later in the day. So the wind's going to be blowing out. Hopefully the pitchers are aware of that, and at least the Royals pitchers are aware of it, and the Twins pitchers, well, hopefully the Royals can take advantage because the ball's going to be carrying. The fences are 10 feet in. It will be interesting to see if there's any impact. Is it still going to end up being a 1-0 game? Well, we're going to find out tomorrow. Very interesting. So tomorrow will be into the 80s, 90s out into the western plains. There's a front up there to the north, and that front is going to get in here on Tuesday. You know, we've had a couple of fronts come through during the mid-afternoon or early afternoon where we warm up into the 70s. 2 or 3 weeks ago, we dropped to 9 and had snow. Last Sunday, we dropped into the 30s and 40s and no precipitation. This one is strong, but not as strong, and it's moving slower. So we should get up to around 80-ish or so. We're going 76, but it could be warmer than that depending on the timing of the front. And initially, there won't be any rain and thunderstorms on it. So let's go through this here as we take a look at Tuesday at 4 p.m. So it's got us at 82. But again, if it's a little faster, it could be in the 70s or 60s. Slower, it could be well into the 80s. And again, there's 4 p.m., no thunderstorms. Then as we go through the evening, the thunderstorms begin to form on it. And if you notice, they're behind the front. They're on the cooler air side of it. If that's the case, that'll keep the severe threat low. There aren't many risks of severe weather here. However, as we go into this time of year, severe weather is always on the table. A little change here or there could make it change drastically on whether we have severe weather or not. So right now, it looks like mainly from here southward and not a big severe threat. Then look at this. Another system comes in on Wednesday. We're in the 50s. Yes, that is snow in Nebraska. And during the day Wednesday, a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms, but only in the 40s and 50s. So no severe weather, but it could be a kind of a cold rain. We're going 53, but if it rains all day, it'll only be in the 40s, and that high will end up being at midnight, 12:01, and then in the 40s the rest of the day. And yes, that is snow in Nebraska. So if you're traveling up there, could be some slick roads, but it's very hard to get slick roads during the day when it's snowing. This time of year, the sun angle is getting too high, the pavement's just too warm, and those temperatures are at or above freezing. So we'll see how that goes. Then on Wednesday night, it moves out, and there may be a snowflake in the northwest corner of Missouri, but it will move into the Great Lakes. Now that snow could stick on Wednesday night and Thursday in Wisconsin. They've had quite a bit of snow in the last few weeks, and we will have a quiet day on Thursday. A lot of clouds around, temperatures in the 50s. Then we have another system to watch on Friday. Friday may start dry and around 40, but then end up around 70 degrees. And you can see the next front's coming in from the west. Most of Friday should be dry, but later Friday evening and night and into early Saturday, another round of thunderstorms. But again, that's also behind the front in the cooler air. So, and it's also 11 o'clock at night, so the severe threat's there, but it's low, and it comes through here Saturday morning with temperatures in the 40s, and then once that moves by, we have a northwest wind, and Saturday should dry out, and also Sunday, no storm. So Easter Sunday is looking dry, but a little chilly. I'll show you here on the superintendent. It could be in the 30s for Sunday morning. Now, how much rain could we see? Well, there's going to be a zone of 2 to 4 inches of rain. Right now, it is just east of Kansas City, 1/2 to 2 in our viewing area, but there's that 2 to 4 down there near Sedalia and Warrensburg possibly, and then 1/2 to 1 all the way to 1/10 of an inch in the western plains. Again, this heavy rain zone can still shift west or east by 50 to 100 miles. It just depends where the thunderstorm's set up. But there's been a little, there was initially looked like it was going to be over us. Then it trended far east. Now it's coming back towards us again. So we will keep an eye on that. But even a 0.5 to 1 inch of rain would be good. And we're actually not in drought conditions around here, but far northern Missouri is, southern Iowa, far southern Missouri, southern Kansas, Nebraska, much of Nebraska, far north Kansas. Those areas are in a drought, especially Nebraska. And we aren't in a drought at this moment. There's been some rain right along the I-70 corridor, and right now it looks like we're going to stay out of that. And there was much more drought down in the Ozarks. That has been reduced by recent rain, and so this will help. So we'll see if we can get some rain in those dry areas. Northwest Missouri has really been lacking the rain over the last month, while we've down here had much more. So we'll see how that sets up. 56% of the United States is in a drought, so it really needs to rain in every location. We are looking at Texas, Florida, a lot of drought conditions, and Colorado. It's just ridiculous. It's their lowest water equivalent snowpack ever. So they could use the rain too, and I just don't see much going on there. The summer monsoon can bring thunderstorms, but those are just too scattered to do much. So hopefully not a big wildfire season out there. So we'll be watching that. So as we take a look at the forecast for today, we'll get up to about 74 with a lot of clouds around. Windy, warmer south winds 15 to 30, and then tonight down to 55. Tomorrow the ball be flying out, 86 degrees, south winds 15 to 30, gusting to 40 miles per hour. If you're a tailgater, also beware, keep the plasticware, the plates all secure, because it's going to be kind of windy from noon to 3, warming up to 75 to 80. Then 3:10 is first pitch, 84 to 87. Remember, the record is 82. On the Super 10-day forecast, there's those rain chances Tuesday through Saturday, mainly Tuesday night and Wednesday into early Thursday, then Friday night into Saturday. And right now, as I say, Easter Sunday looks dry, but look at that low, 33 degrees, a little chilly for the Easter egg hunts. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead. Stay healthy.